Alphabet Incorporated was formally established on 2 October 2015, marking a significant corporate restructuring of Google. The primary objective was to streamline the core Google business, enhancing its clarity and accountability. This new structure also aimed to grant greater autonomy to ambitious, moonshot projects. These ventures, often unrelated to traditional internet services, required a different operational approach. The goal was to foster innovation without directly impacting the established, profitable segments. Before 2015, Google had grown into a massive entity, managing diverse operations from search engines to self-driving cars. Founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin envisioned a holding company model, drawing inspiration from Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. This structure allowed independent subsidiaries to operate with their own leadership and resources. This strategic separation was crucial for insulating Google's core profit-making engine from the financial uncertainties of experimental ventures. It provided a framework for both stability and radical innovation. Alphabet categorized its vast business into two main segments: Google Services and Other Bets. Google Services encompasses the familiar products like Search, YouTube, Android, Maps, and Gmail, forming the bedrock of its internet and advertising empire. Google Cloud, another vital component, focuses on enterprise cloud computing and AI infrastructure. The Other Bets category includes groundbreaking initiatives such as Waymo for self-driving technology, Verily in life sciences, and Wing for drone delivery. Alphabet's financial engine is predominantly fueled by data-driven advertising, which accounts for a significant portion of its revenue. This includes income from Google Search, YouTube ads, and the extensive Google network. However, the company is actively diversifying its revenue streams. Google Cloud is its fastest-growing segment, generating billions annually through consumption-based fees and subscriptions. Furthermore, subscriptions for services like YouTube Premium and sales of hardware such as Pixel phones and Nest devices contribute to its expanding financial portfolio.